everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, are you facing WhatsApp video error? Here's the solution. So, firstly, open the settings app on your device. Here, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, tap on the WhatsApp. Here, click on the storage and cache. Again, clear on this clear cache. Now, go back to the home page and tap on the Play Store. At the bottom, tap on the search option and search WhatsApp. Here, tap on the update and wait for it to update. Yeah, and this will solve your problem. That's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.